everybody. This is my distraught face. I'm very distraught because there was another dog in my yard. A hound dog. Mama thinks it was a beagle. And he just wouldn't shut up. He kept going, "Arr, arr," for hours. And then he came in our yard, and Mama went to try and get him, and he ran away from her. Which shows that he's not too smart, because Mama is like a treat hander-outer machinist person. That's what she does. She hands out treats all day long. Especially if you're cute, like me. But anyway, he's gone now, and we don't know what happened, and I hope he finds his house. As long as his house isn't this house, because it was like, all day. But I keep going outside and sniffing around. He has a weird kind of a smell to him. And I keep waiting to find some poop of his, so maybe I can take a little nibble.